Welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the HYCHIKA heat gun with the 1800 watt hot air gun kit with the 6 nozzles, 140 degree Fahrenheit up to 1112 degree Fahrenheit. Fast heating, variable temperature control, heat gun for crafting, soldering, shrink tubing, shrink wrap, or if you have a vinyl floor that you can use this to heat it up to loosen up the glue so you can remove it easier. So this one has a pure copper motor for longer life, 1.5 second fast heating, 1800 high thermal efficiency durability. So this one has overload protection, high temperature resistant material, and then this one offers hands-free operation, wide base for stable standing. By the way, be sure to check out the link that's going to show you within the description so you can check out this item out. And if there's a coupon box code, make sure you click on it before you check out. And I would like to give the shout out to Brain from their marketing team for sending me this. So let's go ahead and unbox it and check it out. And here's the product description. And it is made in China. This is the model number right here, QR-113BS in Bravo. And here's the specification right here. And here's the instruction manual right here. So this one's probably for the PVC pipe. If you heat it up, you could have a different size to expand. So it's good that they come with 6 different type of nozzles, so you don't need to purchase. So they got a sharp edge right here. You can heat it at the same time while I try to scrape it. So they have a different speed, high or low. And this is the temperature control right here. Anyway, let's go out there and test it out. And this one you can set it like this. And if you have a PVC pipe that you can turn it on and try to bend it to a different angle. Pretty nice. Okay, we're going to heat this up and then remove this decal. So if you turn this way, it's hotter. As you can see, go up higher. So yeah, this sticker is pretty tricky. There's a void under there, so if you don't heat it up correctly, or if the sticker is too old, it's gonna come apart. Nasty. Is it working? The bottom is supposed to come out, but maybe I heated too much. Pretty good though. See, when you don't do it right, the void come out. Some alcohol. Wow, so hot. Wow, anyway, it works pretty good. I'm just gonna heat it some more a little bit. Don't heat it too much or you're gonna mess up the original paint. So I think I had probably had too much on this with the stupid blade. That's why it caused a chip on the paint. So I got to touch up paint. I'm gonna paint it over. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Always, peace.